Hi everyone. Today I will be addressing the issue of challenging facing new content creators. YouTube remains a powerful platform for new content creators, offering a vast audience and the potential for success. However, there are several challenges that new YouTubers often face when trying to establish themselves. Here is an educated perspective on both the opportunities and challenges. The first challenge is the high competition. YouTube is an extremely crowded platform with millions of content creators across a wide array of niches. As a result, standing out and attracting an audience can be very challenging. New YouTubers often struggle with gaining visibility in a sea of established channels, especially if their niche is highly competitive. YouTube algorithms plays a significant role in determining the visibility of videos. New creators must understand the algorithm's preferences, such as audience retention, watch time, and engagement, which can be overwhelming at first. Even with great content, it may take time for YouTube to recognize and recommend a new channel to a broader audience. Producing consistent high quality is crucial for growth on YouTube. New creators may struggle to maintain this consistency due to time constraints. New creators may struggle this consistency due to time constraints, but also to lack of resources or even burnout. The pressure to upload regularly can affect creativity, and many newcomers face difficulties in balancing quality with quantity. While YouTube does offer monetization options like AdSense, reaching the eligibility threshold, such as 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, can take time. Even after reaching these milestones, and ad revenue is not always substantial, particularly for channels with a niche audience. This makes it harder for new YouTubers to rely solely on the platform for income, and they may need to diversify their revenue streams. Establishing a loyal and engaged community is key to success on YouTube, but it takes time. New creators may struggle to cultivate an audience that actively comments, likes, and shares their videos. Growing a community often requires extensive interaction, trust building, and responding to audience feedback. New creators must also learn the technical aspects of video production, editing, camera work, lighting, and sound. These skills take time to master and can be a barrier to entry for some. Without proper technical know-how, videos might not stand out in terms of production value, which can hinder growth. So the question that comes to mind is YouTube a platform for new content creators? Yes, YouTube remains one of the best platforms for new content creators for several reasons. The first reason is the massive audience reach. With over 2 billion logged in monthly users, YouTube provides unparalleled access to a global audience. If a new creator's content resonates with viewers, the potential for viral growth is substantial. YouTube supports a wide variety of content types, vlogs, tutorials, gaming, educational content, music, and niche topics. This diversity means that no matter the interest or passion, there's likely an audience on YouTube waiting to discover that content. YouTube is free to use, both for content creators and as well for viewers. Unlike some other platforms, it does not charge creators to upload content or limit access to tools. Additionally, YouTube's ad revenue model and super chats for live streams provide ways for creators to monetize their content. As mentioned, once a creator meets certain thresholds, YouTube offers various ways to monetize, such as through ads, memberships, merchandise, shelf integration, and sponsorship. This creates the opportunity for creators to eventually earn income from their passion. YouTube encourages collaboration, which is beneficial for new creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help tap into their audience and foster cross-promotion. Additionally, viewers who enjoy similar content will often check out other creators, helping newcomers gain exposure. YouTube also provides detailed analytics that allow creators to understand what works and what doesn't, with insights on audience demographics, watch time, and engagement. New YouTubers can fine-tune their content to better align with what their audience enjoys. Conclusion: is YouTube still a platform for new creators? Despite its challenges, YouTube remains a viable and attractive platform for new content creators. The potential to reach millions of viewers and build a sustainable career is still very much alive. However, success requires a blend of high-quality content, consistency, understanding of the platform's algorithm, and engagement with the audience. Creators who can navigate these challenges while offering unique, authentic, and compelling content are still in a great position to succeed on YouTube. The journey may be slow, but YouTube's tools and massive audience make it one of the best platforms for aspiring content creators to grow and thrive. I want to thank you for your attention, and until next time.